No way. How the f is it possible that launch videos can still cost this much when AI exists? But apparently it works, because these videos are everywhere on X, and they seem to be working pretty well. You've heard about vibe coding, but have you also heard about vibe marketing? That's what we're going to be doing in this video. I'll show you how to create launch videos like this with 100% AI at a fraction of the cost. These are the kind of videos that you'll learn how to make. To do this, we're going to be using a brand new tool that was just released by Higgsfield, which is called Supercomputer. Supercomputer is basically just like a full AI agent, kind of like Openclaw or Hermes agents, but the difference is that it has access to all of the tools inside of Higgsfield, and then it's surprisingly good at prompting. So I'm going to write, I want you to create a design picture for my app, and let's call it, for my fintech app, let's call it Monetas, like this. The design should be light mode, make it clean and modern, please. Hit enter. And now you can see the Higgsfield computer is now saying creating concepts, and it's basically structuring itself what it should do. You can see it's using a skill right now, image generation, and then it's building the scene. And now it says generation, approve image, a clean modern smartphone app, UI mockup for Monetas, a fintech application, light mode theme. It wants to use GPT image 2 for this, which I think is a good idea. It's doing it in 69, so horizontal aspect ratio. High quality, 2K, cost 7 credits, let's do it. And now you can see on the right hand side, it's opening up this window right here, which is basically our preview where we can see what it generates. And we don't have to stay inside of here. We can go inside of our connectors, for example, and see all of the connections that we can connect with instantly. We can also go inside of skills and see all of the skills that we have access to inside of here. And something very cool is that they have kind of like the Obsidian memory board, where you can see kind of like the memory that it has. And we can also add memory and context to it from inside of this memory board. Now we can see it loaded some tools and it's generating. By default, it's using the Gemini orchestrator. I think this is something new that they just added, but this basically allows it to delegate specific tasks to different AI models, which is both cheaper and faster. And there we have it. Here we have our mockup for the design Monetas for our fintech app. What's worth noticing is that the text is good everywhere. That's something that the new ChatGPT image model is extremely good at. Fixing text, but you can see all of this looks extremely good, and it's consistent everywhere. This is looking really good. Usually when you're using something like Higgsfield, it's very important that you make a good prompt, but that is one of the reasons to use Supercomputer. It is that it makes a really good prompt for you based on these skills. So now we can write, I want you to create a fintech B2B launch video that is horizontal. It needs to look extremely professional, and if you go to X and see how the best in the game do it, you can see they're using actual features from inside of the app. So I'm going to ask it to do that. Use actual features, showcase actual features from inside the app, like animated graphs. Let's see what other features we have inside of here. Net worth tracker, maybe. What a lot of launch videos have as well is kind of like this typewriting animated text. So let's start with include typewriting animated text. And then we're going to write this exact thing in order to get a good result. Create a couple of images for each scene in order to get a very professional and business looking launch video. And now it's going to take Monetas and build it out as a full launch video. And now you can see it's saying, and now you can see it's giving us a couple of images that it wants to create. It wants to create 3 different images for the UI mockup for Monetas. Let's say yes, generate. And very cool, it's running things in parallel. You can see it's generating the images while it's thinking, while it's using skills. Something that hasn't really been possible before. There we go. Now we have generated these designs right here. It looks very good. What I want to do is that I both want to show a mobile version and the desktop version. So I'm going to write, I want to show both the mobile version and the desktop version. Can you include both? Then we can basically download this one and insert it once again. We can write include this design for the desktop, for the mobile. Then we want to create this motion reel storyboard sheet. Basically what this is a couple of pictures of each scene in the video, which is a very important thing to do in order to get things consistent and in order to be able to change things before we generate it. So I'm going to send this, and now it's going to update the plan. There we go. Let's click generate. There we go. Now we generated this, which looks a bit better. And now it's going to build out the story scenes. Then we generate the motion reel storyboard sheet. Just click generate, and that's going to create the scenes in our video. But this looks a lot better, these scenes. So let's try and make this into the video. And there we go. Now we have this full prompt that Higgsfield Computer made for us. It's a very long prompt. So let's click generate using this image right here, because this image has been used as reference. Click generate and then see what we get. And there we go. The first generation looks like this. That is pretty good, especially the start. Like this start right here looks insanely good. But you can see right here the text is a bit messed up. Very cool how it has matched the video and the audio together though. I actually played around with it a bit more and I got it to create this frame right here, which shows these product images of Helpify, future of banking. From that, we generated this video right here, which is probably the best so far. Let me show you. Not bad. Some of these frames are really cool, and I really like how it is fit with the sound and the audio. Will you be able to create a full launch video with this? Probably, if you do enough takes. The reality of the technology right now is that it's not ready to create the full finished version just yet, but you can create scenes like this one, for example, looks absolutely insane. So you can create individual scenes in a video like this, and then later you can cut together the scenes that you want that look good. You can see the text right here is still something that it's struggling with. And right now we're using the new Seedance 2.0 model, which is the newest model that exists. This scene is really cool as well. So you definitely can create product launch videos. You just have to take the scenes that you like and then cut them together yourself. We also have this one right here. Looks alright. Again, I would take the scenes that I actually like this scene looks pretty good as a start, showing the brand. This one, you can see the numbers is a bit bugged. But this last transition right here is actually really cool. Like this one right here. Like this one right here, where it cuts from it. Really impressive that it can do that. So my final take, you definitely can create product launch videos using this new tool, using Higgsfield Computer. You'll probably just need to create a couple of variations and then cut together the parts that you like together, maybe do some sound design. What I'm 100% certain on though is that this technology in the future will change how videos are made. You will not need to pay $30,000 anymore for a launch video. AI will be able to create the entire thing better than any human can do in literally just a couple of minutes. That is 100% the future. If you're interested in learning how to monetize this information that you're learning on YouTube, then you should check out our completely free community, AI Automation A to C. There's already 155,000 people inside of this community, and it's completely free. It takes you from a beginner to advanced in the 7-day AI challenge. Again, completely free. I'll leave a link right below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. YouTube thinks that this video right here is going to be interesting for you to watch next. Albert, out.